This is the train station in Cork. I and others fill this bookshelf primarily for children's books regularly. It took me a year and a half to get it. There it is now. As often as I can, I keep filling the bookshelf for the people traveling, especially the children, because if you get children reading books, they might grow up reading books. As always, think not of ourselves, think of others. The libraries here supply the books. People bring in their own stock. I bring in my own stock. And we're always sharing. It's fantastic.